up in the train to find out what's going on. Hold on, folks. You ready for anything?
Hey, Sheriff? Yeah? Excuse me for being thorough, but, if we're getting up here to deal with a gold shipment, shouldn't there be soldiers out here?
Yeah, that's a good question, Harlow. Hope that those red shirt bandits have found out about the payroll shipment.
Excuse me there, Sheriff, but, what do you mean by bandits?
Bandits! You know, desperados, desperate train robbers, desperacitos, you know, bad guys.
Well, now, hold on then. Bad guys? I think they might just be misunderstood.
Yeah, they can't be all that bad.
Yeah, bad is a term.
Well, in any case, we're going to get to the bottom of this, okay? We got to split up and look and see if there's any bandits inside there, okay? Maddox, Mama, you're going to come inside with me. You two stay out here in case any more troopers show up. And Thomas, keep an eye on the passengers, all right?
You boys okay?
Oh, we are just fine and dandy. Absolutely rootin' and shootin'.
No problems here, Deputy.
Yep.
Right, folks, I'm going to need y'all's help, okay? Me, Maddox, and Harlow are going to go inside the fort and look for the troopers, okay? While we're in there, I want everybody to keep an eye on any red shirt bandits, okay? You guys got that? I said you guys got that?
There we go.
Ow.
What? No!
This might try to finish that enough already.
Them right there. Look at them.
Oh, bye.
All right, Judge. It's time for the bandit reveal. That's right, we're the red shirt bandits, and we're here to steal the gold shipment that's on this here train. And tell them what's going to happen next, Judge.
After that, we'll rob it every single person on this train.
You know what I'm here for, huh? Now, what we got to do, we got to go inside that fort, find those lawmen, and stop them so they can't get in our way. All right, let's go. And not a darn thing you can do about it. Even you, Thomas. Ah, my ears. Ah, all right.
All right, what is all this stuff here? What's going on out here? Do what?
What?
Bandit!
Are you sure about that? Okay, there's something behind me. Behind me? All right, well, look.
I ain't seeing nothing.
There's nothing out there.
You just had too much sugar, that's all.
Over there. Right here. Oh, there's nothing there.
I don't know what's going on here. Really?
I'm gonna look, okay? Hi. That's just my deputy, y'all. Now, deputy, can you please tell all these good passengers that there's no bandits in there and they have nothing to worry about?
I can't do that, Sheriff.
Why not?
Well, because there's bandits everywhere!
What are you doing? You get back here!
Where are you going again? Everybody calm down, all right? Whoa, you guys hear that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hear that? We got her.
Well, howdy there, boys.
Howdy.
Hey, I thought that's one of them soldiers.
No, Debbie, it's not one of them soldiers. That, my friend, is the legendary Blue Scout.
knows what they're talking about here. I've been looking after Fort Boone while the troopers have been out on patrol. Looks like I got back just in time. You can see what the Thomas the Tank Engine whistle does to the bad guy. Looks like the gold shipment and these train passengers are going to be safe from these no-good varmints and their fancy red shirts.
Yeah, red, like James.
Well, I like y'all excuse me, I got a purpose attack.
Oh, thank you, Blue Scout. And thank you, too, Thomas.
Alright, let's get these good folks back into town and let's lock these bandits up.
You just wait till we get back to town, Thomas, and I tell Sir Topham Hat. Oh, he'll click.
Go top this out.
They did pretty good, didn't they?
That's not
All right, everyone, please return to your seats. How about a great big round of applause for Thomas for saving the day. Let's get this train on back to town.
Like I said, anything can happen out here in the Wild West. Thanks for your help, Thomas. That was a close call. Listen, let's head back before anything else goes haywire.
Everybody okay? Woo! Everybody come on. They say, right? There we go. Everybody okay back here? Good. It's a good thing Coach Thursday today. Well, thanks for helping us out. So letting us know them red shirt bandits were there.
You tell me you did a good job?
That's adorable. Swim on back here. How we doing back here?
Good.
Good. Ow!
Tell them.
Ow! Flip on back here, everybody okay?
Silver mines like this one made some settlers rich. And some of them dead, too. There's all kinds of... Well, our train trip is just about over, and we hope you liked what you saw. It's mighty fine country. But now that we're getting back to the civilized world, you can treat yourself to some things you won't find out there. Things like good food, cold drinks, maybe even a trip to the store. There's a lot to see and do in Tweetsie. Take in a show up at the Palace Saloon, or ride the rides at the country fair. And while you're at it, come on back and ride our train again someday. Things are always changing out here in the Wild West. You never know what you're going to find. Make sure you stay that way. Please remain in your seats until the train has come to a complete stop. Then exit at the back of your car. Watch your step. We want to make sure y'all come back to ride again and again. The town folks who rode with you today can give you directions to wherever you need to go from here. Bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards.
Yeah, we made it.